Hello and welcome to the second video of the series Learning C. In this video, I will explain about the variable in C. So in C, there are three primitive variable type. Those are char or character, int or integer, and float or floating point. Char literally is just one character like this. Int is a number, integer number, and float is a floating point number like this that have a decimal point. That have a number behind decimal point like this. And in C, their biggest difference is in size. So char have 1 byte in memory, int have 4 byte, and floating point have 4 by 2. Contrast with another programming language, you can see there are no strings here, right? Only char. If you want to assign a string variable, you must do like this. This is the pointer of char. In C, things will get hairy when we introduce a pointer, but I think the main strong point in C is a pointer. But pointer that make the C is difficult language to learn. Here I try to print this variable. Oh yeah, if you don't know what is this, like double slash and this sign slash and asterisk, this is a comment. So for double slash like this, all line in here will not be executed by compiler. So whatever I type in this line, the compiler or the program will ignore it. So I can type anything I want. This is very useful if you want to document your code. So if I compile this, it's okay because compiler ignore this line, same as like this. But for this, for a more between this sign and this line, it will be ignored by the compiler. Double slash is only applied in one line, but slash and asterisk will affect all the code until asterisk and slash like this. So here the argument for print, here %c is just like I say that I want to print a character variable, so single char here. %d is like I want to print a integer, and %.3f is like I say that I want to print a floating point with 3 number behind the point. So let's try. Here there are 3 number behind the decimal point. Here is the integer and here is the single character that we print. What if I change it to 1? We must first compile it first and then we run. As you can see, it changed to just only 1 number behind the point. And in C, you can print this character as a integer, because in the computer all of this character is saved as a binary. So for let's see For example, like this variable single int, it have 97. In memory, it will be saved as here like 01100001. And for A is saved as a binary too. So if we print it as a integer, the computer will be interpret these characters as a integer. So let's try. Yeah, I forgot to save. See, it print as 97 because the A here, the character of A is like it, the form of character A in the memory is like this 01100001. So when the computer interpreted it as an integer, it will be same as it see the single int here. And let's try like this. Let's just sum all of them. So will be some single float, single int, and single char like this. And we will be save it in the variable of integer, namely newf. If we do this, it will print like this because single float is 97.9 plus 97 plus, as you can see, A in the memory is saved like this, so it will be interpreted it as a 97. And because this is the integer, so the result will be like this. What if we save it as a floating point? Oh, this is the show. Let's change it to this is a warning, not an error. When you have a warning like this, if you run the program, it will be fine because it's just a warning. The compiling process is success. Like this, there's a number behind the point because we saved it as a floating point, so we have a result like this. This is why I say in C the only method is just a size. And as you can see, C doesn't support string. So how we print a string? If we want to print a string, we must using here and we use %s and var like this. I forgot the semicolon. Let's run it. Oh yeah. Yes, as you can see, it print a string that is triple A. Also, you can declare a string like this too. There are two ways to declare a string. First is using a pointer variable, a char pointer variable like this, or declare an array of char. I was thinking that should I explain about pointer in this video or not, but in the end I think pointer is a complex topic, so I will explain the pointer in the another video. So yeah, this is the basic variable in C. In the next video I will explain to you about this pointer like this and an array. So in the next video I will cover about advanced type of variable in C. See you in the next video.